Pandas Python, how to create multiple columns from a list. I have a list with columns to create. I want to create these columns in a data frame and fill them with 0. Get error. Which is true but unfortunate as I want to create them. Edit, this is a duplicate of this question. Add multiple empty columns to Pandas data frame. However, I keep this one too because the accepted answer here was the simple solution I was looking for, and it was not the accepted answer out there. Edit 2, while the accepted answer is the most simple, interesting one-liner solutions were posted below.
You need to add the columns one by one. Also see the answers in here for other methods.
Try looping through the column names before creating the column.
Use assign by dictionary.
You can use assign.
Droplet,